Hey, this is Adam with Green Chile Adventure Gear. I wanted to talk to you about one of our most popular products called the Bag Snake Kit. It consists of a cam tensioner, a double ring tensioner, a 6-foot runner, and a ring loop. And there's an optional buckle bumper for the cam in case you're worried about a cam flopping off and hitting the paint on your bike. One of the unique things about our cam tensioners and our ring tensioners is we have elastics woven inside tubular webbing. So when you pull them out, they're actually as strong as a solid strap, but you get the benefit of the stretch. So as you're riding, if your luggage shifts, things stay tight. They're easy to attach. You can attach them to anything. It might be a metal rack on your bike, might be one of our soft racks, but all you do is simply put itself back through the loop and pull it tight. On this rig, I have the Bag Snake already on the side straps to give you an idea of where it is. The 6-foot runner is on the bottom rear corner. The double ring tensioner is on the bottom front. The ring loop is on the back top. And the cam tensioner is on the top front. Now, one thing to notice, I have my cam rigged on the opposite side of the soft rack as to where my bag is going to go. This will allow the bag to pull down into the motorcycle and carry the weight better. Another thing I want to point out, there's molly loops sewn on part of the side strap, and on this side you'll notice there's no molly loops sewn. It's okay to rig these straps on plain webbing. Once it pulls tight, there's enough surface area to keep it from slipping. Now I'm going to show you how to actually strap the bag on. This will be a little tricky because I'm working from the opposite side of the bike that I normally work, but the first thing you want to do is pull your 6-foot strap. Pull it through your hands, make sure you don't have any twists. Run it through both rings of the ring tensioner and then back through the first ring, just like your helmet buckle works. That's the easiest way to remember it. And what this does is hold the bottom of the bag on while we work so it won't fall off. Now that we've got this, we're going to come diagonally up and we're going to get our ring loop. We're going to run the strap through our ring loop, pull this back. Don't worry about getting this tight yet. We're going to come back across. Now we have our cam tensioner. So we're going to take this strap, run it through our cam tensioner. Now when we pull this tight, the ring tensioner is not going to be fully tight yet. So after we get this part tight, I want you to start working your slack through. We want to try to get it as tight as we can. If the tensioners are fully extended, then that gives you the most range for your elastics in case your luggage shifts or air comes out of this bag. Feel free to do this however you want to. Some people tuck it in, some people run it through the slack retainers. The main thing, whatever you do, make sure this is not dangling when you're done. So with this, I can run it through about 4 times because I have a lot of slack. And then I'll just take the end and tuck it in so it can't go anywhere. This runner is 6 foot. Feel free to cut that off, especially if you're carrying the same size bag. The Bag Snake can also be rigged on the top side if you want to carry a bag that way. It's the same configuration. If you're carrying a bag horizontally across the motorcycle, keep your cam tensioners in the front. And that's how you rig a Bag Snake.